In this video, I am going to show you how to share Google Drive files and folders link to anyone. Yes, you can upload your picture, videos or any other documents on Google Drive and share this by a link of it to anyone. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Open the Google Drive app. Here the drive will show what files you are uploaded on it. To share a link, tap on the three-dot menu of that file which you want to share with others. Click on the three-dot menu. Turn the link sharing on. Our document is shareable now. Copy link. Our documents link has been copied. Now let's open a browser and see if this link is working or not. Yes, our link is working. Let's go back to the Google Drive. What is the advantage of sharing a link? Sharing a link is very useful. If you share someone the document link, whenever you edit or update the file, that very person will get the updated file automatically. You can share this link by any medium from your smartphone. You can send this through email, WhatsApp or other messaging services. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.